Oh my God, what did you do, Jeffrey? You cracked it in the wrong way. It's okay. It's okay to make a mistake.
Ta-da!
But don't do it again, okay?
Oh, wow. So, okay. Okay, Mom.
But don't do it again, okay?
Tasty.
You need to put the egg inside the bowl, please.
Okay. What's that, Mom?
Huh?
It's better.
Yeah.
Better. Yeah.
You crack it over here, Jun. Crack it over here. Okay. Like, open. Good job.
Mommy, the towel. Oh, green. Oh, down the egg. Oh,
Okay, leave the egg over there. You need to mix it. You know how to mix it?
This?
Here.
Mommy, we should go.
What
My turn,
happened?
my turn.
What happened here?
My turn, my turn.
Okay. Take turns. Oh, you put salt. Salt.
Ready?
Mm.
Hey. The food.
Oh, be careful. Oh my goodness. Here go my kids. They're cooking.
Yes?
Say hi, netizen.
No. No, no, it's not there. No.
Here. Oh, I don't have the other one. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna cook now, right? You wanna cook? You need to move a little. You need to move a little bit.
Hey.
Now you need to move a little bit because we're gonna cook now. Do not put it yet. Hey, can you move all the way?
Put there. No.
Not yet. It needs to get hot. Okay, can you move a little bit so that we can cook? Okay. All done now. All done. All done. You go wash. No, not yet, June. Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand in the bathroom. Go. Go, because it has an egg. It's nasty. You're gonna get sick. There's salmonella on it. Go. Go wash your hand first, please. Okay, never mind.
Hey guys.
You will not eat breakfast if you will not go wash your hand.
I'll eat breakfast.
Huh?
I'll eat breakfast.